Alright, one leg lance at, only 7 o'clock. Oh man, that means, let's see, 24 and 5. Oh man, we got like 29 hours left. I mean, come on, that's ridiculous. So, Nick, my masterful crafting buddy, has been working off my crazy diagram that you can see here, the Victron Joy. He's been trying to turn this into something that he can turn in to that wall back there that has all the Victron love. Big lithium batteries going in there, all the shore power, solar power, vehicle power, that's all coming into the same spot, so recharges that big 150 amp hour battery there. So got a lot done today. Got the heat shield DB skin painted in, so that's really nice. We're going to do this in phases, so that's why things look like they're only partial, because we want to actually see how this stuff makes a difference. So phase 1 is skins. So the outer body skin, the door skins, that first layer, that vibration comes through and heat comes through, so we're going to do that. Giving Nick a little room to work up there, so we haven't done the front of the floor. But we're just going to do that, see what kind of difference it makes. Put the stealth shield on top of that to give us our heat barrier. This is our sound barrier. And then, if that's not a good enough change, we'll go to a phase 2, where maybe we're going to cover some more layers. Hide that shiny, beautiful race red that Ford puts in there. If that's not enough, we'll go to a phase 3. So the whole point is data collection. We're going to try to keep it as light and fast as possible. So we're going to put just enough to make a difference. So we're digging it. We're having a good time. 7 o'clock at night. I bet we're going to be working a lot later on the road to SEMA.